Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring to you guys a video on pretty much some healthy swaps and technically pretty much how I'm surviving this competition. So if you guys would like to see what I'm going to show you guys, stay tuned. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So first of all, a lot of you guys are wondering if I'm going to eat Thanksgiving food, and unfortunately I'm not, but here's a little amazing little seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's. There's actually a lot of seasonings there that are really, really good. And there's obviously elsewhere too, Mr. Dash, I believe God's Flavor or something like that, Flavor Gods. They have seasonings that don't have a lot of sodium. And you guys, I don't have those, but I have this everything but bagel seasoning that I use on my egg whites every morning, and it tastes amazing. It changes the flavor of everything. And then this one I just recently started using it, but it's everything but the leftovers, and I use it on my sway and it tastes so good. Definitely a game changer for those of you who are interested in having Thanksgiving food but in a healthier version. So this is what I'll be seasoning my food with on Thanksgiving, if you guys were wondering. And then, so that's one. There are literally, this one has no calories, and it is pretty much let's see, onion, sea salt, ground pepper, turmeric, celery seed, ground sage, rosemary, thyme, and parsley. And then this one has a lot of things too: sesame seeds, sea salt flakes, dried minced garlic, dried minced onion, and sesame seeds and poppy seeds. And it only has 5 calories per quarter of a tablespoon. So that is one option. Then for early birds and coffee drinkers, I know a lot of times you guys get the crazy, super sugary drinks at Starbucks. This one is actually a Starbucks Keurig K-Cup, but they have no calories. This one is the pumpkin spice, and this one is a tiramisu. Tiramisu is my favorite, only because it's sweet, but not sweet like the pumpkin spice. The pumpkin spice has a little spice to it, I guess you can say. What I like to do with the tiramisu also, to make it like a latte, I like to do it bulletproof, which is coconut oil and cinnamon. You blend that up and it looks like a latte. And that is another trick as well. You also add Splenda. That's another one. Instead of using sugar, you can use Splenda, which is an artificial sweetener. But all of these little tricks are actually really pretty much, I guess you can say, helping me out with all this competition, because if I want something sweet, I'll go with the tiramisu coffee and then with some Splenda. And then for those of you guys that like to drink soda, I love these. The strawberry one, this one's a peach flavor. These are sparkling waters, Perrier. I love the strawberry one because it literally tastes like strawberry soda. Of course, it doesn't taste like it. Maybe you can add 2 Splendas and it'll taste the sweetness of it, but it tastes so good that you can't even tell it's not, it doesn't have any, calories or anything. So it's pretty much mineral water with natural flavors. And this one is a peach one, and I like the strawberry one. So definitely give those 2 a try. And then another thing for coffee, I found this sugar-free gourmet syrup, and it's pretty much a hazelnut flavor. It's a little too sweet for me, which I'm not using right now just because it's too much, but it's 0 calories. And yes, if you want pretty much 0 calorie sweeteners, you should go with some that have sugar-free. I got this one at Marshall's. They did have another brand, and I believe it's Skinny Girl, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely try that out before you go with like the real creamers with all this crazy amount of sugar and unnecessary calories. Then my favorite all-time lifesaver, I love Walden sugar-free syrup. This one, I probably have had maybe like 4 bottles of this already. I like to put it on my oatmeal, sometimes in my coffee, in my shakes, everything. It's amazing. It's literally 0 calories. The only thing it has is sodium, which is 95 mgs per quarter of a cup, which is a lot. I literally don't put a lot. It's just like the taste Also, this is another trick. Whenever I do go eat, like let's say when I get a break or a cheat meal, some breakfast, like French toast, waffles, anything like that, I take myself some of this because it literally, I'm not even joking you guys, it tastes just like a syrup. Except the calories, the amount of calories the syrup has is ridiculous. So definitely give this a try. They have them at Safeway and they have different flavors. I've seen the caramel. This one is a regular pancake syrup. This one is a chocolate syrup, which I put inside my, sometimes in my overnight oats. And this is actually, I'll tell you guys right now what other things I use it for. And then if I want blueberry flavor, as you guys can tell, I'm not a big fan of the blueberry flavor, but it's actually really good. Also, this one, these two, my friend, she's actually a competitor. She's so amazing. She showed me how to make some pancakes with egg whites. Yes, pancakes with chocolate, whey protein, or any kind of protein. I added some of this, and then I added cinnamon, and voila, it makes a pancake. It's an egg white pancake, chocolate flavored. Then I just sprinkle it with some Walden sugar-free syrup, and it made it pretty much a crepe. I showed you guys in my other video, but that's exactly what I use. You guys are missing out if you guys don't try that. So if you guys are chocolate lovers like me, again, my teammate, beautiful Sabrina, I love her. She's amazing. I'm gonna have to interview her because I'm gonna do another video on how we prepare for competition. So stay tuned for her. She's amazing. I love her. So this is dark chocolate baking chips. They are stevia sweetened, 55% cocoa. Listen to the calories. Calories per serving, 50 calories per serving. Serving size, 60 chips, 14 grams. Total carbs, 8. Protein, 1 gram. Total fat, 4 grams. You guys, these are so amazing. These are amazing and definitely recommend these. I also got them at Safeway. These are the Lily's Less Sugar Sweet Life chocolate chips. So definitely try them out. You guys can add them to anything you guys want. I sometimes add them to my pancakes, but whatever you guys, even maybe they're protein shakes, but like I said, they're very low in calories. And then another friend of ours, definitely what is amazing, freaking people. I love how they know what to do because they recommended me these like it's called Walden Nuts peanut butter. You practically, it's peanut butter but different flavors, and it's a healthier version of any kind of thing, anything actually. They have so many flavors, but of course I went ahead and got the one that tastes like chocolate and my regular peanut butter crunchy. And I got this Jif one because I want to show you guys an example. So the Jif one is 190 calories. And let me just tell you the ingredients. It has peanuts, sugar, molasses, vegetable oils, and other stuff, and salt. This is the ingredients for the crunchy nuts, non-GMO dry roasted peanuts, and sea salt. So the calories per serving is 170 grams and 5 grams of carbs and 8 grams of protein. So I would suggest you guys definitely give these a try. They have so many flavors, and this one tastes like chocolate. This one's the almond butter, and this one has dry roasted almonds, dark chocolate, sugar unsweetened chocolate, cocoa butter, cocoa powder, sea salt, and safflower oil. So definitely give them a try. If you guys do, comment below if they're life changers. I wouldn't be lying to you because these are amazing. And then also, I just want to give you guys a little tip on drinking water. I've been drinking warm temperature water because I do need to consume more than a gallon of water a day. So little tips here and there, just make sure you're drinking your teas, your warm temperature water, room temperature water, and put, BCAAs in it, and Crystal Light, anything that will have you hydrated. I know it gets colder and it gets harder to drink water, but we need to stay hydrated. And yeah, this is pretty much what's keeping me alive throughout this whole competition. And another thing, I'm kind of disappointed, but not necessarily. We are going to Arizona, not Vegas anymore. Arizona it is. Still the same dates, so I'm super excited and looking forward to it. I'm 2.5 weeks away, and I couldn't be any more anxious and excited because the day is almost here. Well, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and any comments, concerns, comment below. Remember, stay blessed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I always forget, but I wanted to just thank Shelly for letting us use A23 podcast room. Again, like I said, if you guys need anything to recordings, to podcasts, to videos, anything in regards to digital media, banners, definitely check out A23. I'll post everything down below, and stay tuned for SUSSEX. We are gonna launch soon, so coming soon. It's gonna be a fitness apparel line, so definitely check that out and follow if you haven't.